Belie is a verb. That means to give a false impression of something, to misrepresent or to contradict. It is often used when appearance or behavior does not align with reality or truth. The origins, the word originates from Old English, beliegan, meaning to deceive by lying. Over time, its meaning evolved to include any form of misrepresentation or contradiction. Explanation and usage. Belie is commonly used to describe situations where outward appearances do not match the underlying truth. It often suggests inconsistency or falsehood. Example sentences: her calm demeanor belied the anxiety she was feeling inside. The simplicity of the book's cover belies the depth of its content. Synonyms and related words: contradict, to be in opposition to or inconsistent with; disguise, to conceal the true nature of something; misrepresent, to falsely or inaccurately portray; antonyms: reveal, to make something known or visible; exemplify, to serve as an example of something true; confirm, to establish the truth or validity of something. The key takeaway: Belie is a versatile word that highlights the gap between appearance and reality, emphasizing how outward impressions can mislead or contradict underlying truths. Subscribe.